Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you, is it better to use Stripe or Shopify payments? So first, Stripe pros and cons. So we know that it's customizable, it accepts payment methods like beyond the standard credit card and debit card. Stripe also allows you to accept bank payments, buy now, pay later options as well. You have global reach, and Stripe is available in over 135 currencies. It has transparent pricing, although there are some nuances to Stripe's pricing, such as the different fees for local payment methods. Costs are easily accessible on the Stripe website. And of course, you have 24/7 customer support. Now, the cons: tech-focused, less tech-savvy business owners may not be able to make the most out of the Stripe payment solution because you need to know a thing or two about APIs. And it also has limited functionality for in-person payments. Now, for the Shopify payments pros and cons, it's of course integrated with Shopify, so you don't have to do any steps, it's already there. It's quick and easy to set up, so once you sign up for Shopify, you can activate your Shopify payments in minutes. That will meet all of your needs. It has transparent pricing. Shopify charges flat rate transparent fees for payment processing, and you can lower your fees by opting for a higher level subscription plan. Shopify does not charge additional fees for using Shopify payments, other than the monthly Shopify subscription fee. And it also has 24/7 customer support. Cons: that they have a limited availability. Shopify payment is only available to Shopify users. It's also available only in 18 countries and regions, although Shopify has merchants in over 100 countries. And there are some additional transactions fee, like if you don't want to use Shopify payments or it's not available in your location, you can work with a third-party provider. However, Shopify will charge additional transaction fees on top of those you pay to the provider you choose. In my opinion, I would go with Stripe if you can, but if you can, Shopify payments is an okay method. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.